Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you change default search engine in Google Chrome on Android. So guys, to change it, just go to Google Chrome. Now after going to Google Chrome, click the top right this three dot icon. Now go to settings, the second last option. Now after going to settings, here you can see basic, and the first option in basic is search engine. Just click on this search engine. Now you can just simply change the search engine. I'm changing it to Microsoft Bing, the third one. Now after changing it, just go back. Now just simply search in the top search bar anything, just like I'm searching for Facebook. Now after searching for Facebook, here you can see it is searched in Microsoft Bing. So guys, that's how you can change default search engine in Google Chrome. Hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.